चलो 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 गाड़ी निकालो। Hey, hi guys, it's been so long. Last time I remember to make a video and upload it on my channel. It's been quite a time. So this time I'm excited. I'm gonna travel North India, some few prominent places. Really excited. Let's keep going. Hey, hi guys, this is my first day of I've reached Pushkar and I have met couple of people, so they are turned out to be friends. This is Kapil. Hey Kapil. Hey, this is Ajay.
Hello.
This is too good actually. I'm experiencing such a nice weather and the people around are really good. They talk to me really well. They answer really well. I'm sure I'm gonna have a really nice time. This is probably the typical structures in Rajasthan. So guys, you have plan of taking a scooty?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm looking for any rental place where I can go.
Yeah, so we have a plan to get a scooty. Before that, we'll just go there, go find one place so that we can just fresh up and start our day. The entrance of the temple, which is said to be the only temple on earth dedicated to Lord Brahma, Jagat Pita Sri Brahma Mandir, Pushkar. You see a lot of crowd here. The House of Swords. देख भाई, कपिल भाई चला रहा है, देखो। हाय बोल दे भाई अपने लोगों को।
Left. Sorry, right.
हाँ, स्ट्रीट्स ऑफ पुष्कर, मजा आ रहा है। पता नहीं कहाँ ले जा रहा हो मुझे।
वैसे न्यू मजा आ रहा है क्यों?
हाँ यार, स्कूटी में अलग ही मजा होता है। This is where I'm gonna stay. That's my room, 302. And this ambience looks really nice. But for me, this is of the least importance, as I'm not gonna stay all day here. I'll be traveling to the nearest desert, which is 2 kilometers from. This ambience looks really good. That's really cool. So this will be my very first time to visit a desert. I don't think that's a very big one. A Pushkar desert, which is about 2 kilometers to here. I heard that is a decent one to start off. Let's see how it unfolds.
तुम भी बात करो, वीडियो करो।
हाँ भाई, आगे हम डेजर्ट।
ले उधर नहीं रोक ले।
इधर घुमा लो भैया। Okay, this is the starting point of Savitri Mahata ropeway. भाई वो टिकट्स है कि नहीं? लाओ एक बार, दिख रहा है? क्या भाई?
नहीं है,
नहीं नहीं ये
नहीं है, नहीं है।
टिकट्स नहीं है फिर भी जाएंगे देखो हम. That's how we manage. चलो let's get in. इधर में बैठ जाओ. चलो.
ಮೆಟ್ಲು ಅಂತ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆ ಥರ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡನ ಈಚೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
I thought metro is the right way to go. Chalo, let's see what's there. By the way, it's good morning in Jaipur. So I've come to Mansarovar. I didn't know what to do, so I just took metro till Mansarovar from railway station metro. And after coming here, I realized there is nothing really exciting at this location. Okay, but then I got to know that I need to reach Badi Chopper, which is on the opposite end. From there I can go to Hawa Mahal and also Jal Mahal. There are other few important places nearby, and I'll just travel one after the other. But yeah, this is really nice time. The weather is really amazing. आ गए हम. This is Badi Chopper. I'm gonna have my breakfast here, and as I already know, for Rajasthan the special items would be kachori or samosa. So I have ordered pyaz kachori. Right. Hey guys, I'm in Jaipur, right in front of the #1 attraction in Jaipur, the Hawa Mahal. It's incredibly good. Having a nice day with you. Okay, this is the reason it's called Pink City. This looks incredibly good. I'm gonna go ahead, check from the top roast view. We are heading upstairs to get to the top. चल पूरा लोडील हो गया हर जगह. फिर भी यार कितना मस्त लग रहा है. Hey guys, hi. So after completing the first and the main attraction in Jaipur, Hawa Mahal, now I am back to the location, which is Jantar Mantar in Jaipur, which has got a fascinating history, because this is Jantar Mantar Jaipur, which is having a lot of weightage in the history of India, which is actually an astronomical observatory built in the 18th century. That was by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh, and this is actually UNESCO World Heritage Site, which has got largest stone sundial. And here we have these structures where we understand when the time during the time of the birth of a child, their star and the birth sign. And getting deeper into the astrological part of a birth of a child, we have Lagna, so that changes every 2 hours in a day. So to be exactly precise with what Lagna the child has taken the birth, the Jai Singh Maharaja Savai Jai Singh has constructed 12 different sign structures here, where you see each of them. You see the Scorpio, Capricorn and Pisces, and there is Sagittarius. That's mine. Understand, and I believe, and going through the Wikipedia and ChatGPT, I understood like this is having a precision of up to 2 seconds. So comparing it with the current time and astronomical equipments, so this is having an accuracy of 2 seconds. That means that's just on point accuracy. Now I am in Ayodhya. So after having a splendid experience going to different places in Jaipur, I'm really excited to come visit this auspicious Ram Janmabhoomi Ayodhya. So I've hired an auto here. I'll be going to the Gupta Ghat so that I'll take bath there. शाम को आरती होते हैं इधर. हाँ सही में. तो पूरा भीड़ रहता है यहाँ पे. So they say it will be highly crowded in the evening, so there will be the Aarti time. And for now, I'll just go and fresh up myself here in the river. Then I'll go visit the temple. It was chilling in the water. I stayed for a very brief time, and then I'm done. So now I'm heading to Hanumangarh, and then once I'm done with that, I'll be going to Ayodhya Dham. Wow, the vibe in North India is something different, something else. So this is Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirtha Kshetra. I believe this is the entrance. So we have this locker system around. All shoes, bags, wallets, mobile phones need to be stored at lockers. Yeah guys, so I'm done with the darshan here in Ayodhya Dham. Such a splendid experience I had. Such a divine, sacred, holy, heavenly feeling visiting the temple. And it was such a cool thing to witness here. I could actually relate it with Bahubali Part 2 interval scene. Such was the response when you actually started entering the temple. It was of a different level. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I would definitely look forward to come again. Hey guys, hi, good morning. So now I have reached Delhi, currently in Chandni Chowk metro station. And there is something called One Delhi One Ride metro card for a day. It's worth 200 with a refundable amount of 50 rupees. So you can take metro from anywhere to anywhere in Delhi except for one line, that is airport line. So in a day you can travel you can plan as many trips as possible. So that's gonna be really interesting for me to explore throughout the city. This card gonna be really be helpful. Let's check how this unfolds. And अभी मैं यहाँ पे रेड फोर्ट के सामने हूँ. अरे मतलब उधर है लेफ्ट में. And on my right there's a Hanuman temple. So morning I have been to the India Gate. The air quality index was too poor. It was hardly visible. but then I still have a photo. I didn't make a video of it. I'm right in front of India Gate. चलो देखते हैं कहाँ से एंट्री करना है. So here I enter the Red Fort. This looks solid. Even on working day I see a lot of people here. Might be the tourists. And as I enter I see a lot of these shop outlets for the shopping. The crowd here. This might take some while. Thanks to Digital India, I confirmed my ticket online and I led to the Qutub Minar, which is on the other side of the road. And here we go. Qutub Minar. Lamba, chauda. सही है. Good structure. Looks good. Hey, ये किसने तोड़ा? ये लोग हर जगह तोड़ते थे मॉन्यूमेंट्स को. ये कैसे टूट गया? इनफैक्ट किसने तोड़ा? देखते हैं. Let's deep dive into history. Time permits. Other than that, for time being, it's all good. Nice ambience. Old structures, hundreds of years before. This is what it looks on Delhi to Kalka train. This is almost empty. I asked the person, this person has said the probable number of people traveling to Kalka from Delhi would be less than 100 or somewhere around. So those guys would be traveling to Shimla as well. It was really a good one. So up next, waiting for a 3 AM train. Hey, hi guys. So here I enter the Kalka station. The weather is not too harsh. I expected it to be chilling, dead chilling, but it's not. This is decent, good. This is Kalka station at 10:41. Wow, it's 7 degrees Celsius here. And you see on my right, those are the toy trains that we travel from Kalka to Shimla. The very first train starts at 3:45 AM. Followed by that, there are 3 more trains at 6:20, 7, somewhere around 8. So we have different types of trains. I've booked for both the trains, the 3:45 one as well as 6:20. I just wanted to make sure that my window seat falls on the right side so that I get to see a lot of valleys. When we actually travel from Kalka to Shimla, all the valleys and the amazing places do lie on the right side. So it matters me the most. So I'll see in the morning which side it actually works for me. Then I'll start my journey. Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, so in Kalka सब ready है. नींद नहीं खुली अभी. I just woke up 10 minutes before and now I'm set to run to board the train, the toy train. ये देखो यहाँ पे एक train है. This is probably starting at 6:20 AM and there are other couple of trains over there on the right. Okay, let me see. My seat is in C116. Let me just go and check. Just 3 minutes to the departure. This is Summerhill, the penultimate station to Shimla. Here I step foot in Shimla. Just I had an exhilarating journey from Kalka. It had numerous stops and I thoroughly enjoyed. Half of my journey went in the. It's like the sun wasn't up, but still it was nice journey. Hey guys, hi. Right now I'm in Kufri. After going to Shimla, I decided that I'll be heading to Kufri and then a couple of places ahead. And for that, I need to have a bike. And how is it even possible to complete the trip, a North Indian trip, without a bike ride? So that's the reason I have Himalayan here. It's all set. I'll explore as much as I can in a day and see if I'll be able to witness the large amount of snow at once at a single location. Bike. Guys, I have traveled approximately 70 kilometers from Shimla on the way to Kufri, and after Kufri I have come to Narkanda. I have also crossed Narkanda Nav. Now currently I am in Hatu Peak, which is about 1 kilometers, one and a half kilometers. Possibly it's a dense kind of forest, so possibly I might get to see the snow. That's the last option I have. Possibly. चलो अगर नसीब वाला हो तो मिल ही जाएगा देखने में. Other than that, I'll just get back to the route again. Yeah. Meanwhile, I have coffee. Some time. It's time for me to check out. Now the time is 11:37. I'm late by 30 minutes, but chalega yaar. So I'll go back to Shimla. Yeah, and then from there I'll be taking toy train again to Kalka, then to Chandigarh, then Haridwar. देखते रास्ते में बहुत कुछ पता चलेगा. But yeah, for now I have placed an order for a black coffee. You see the snow being covered, not entirely, just on the sides of the road. This is what I was actually expecting. Going back to Shimla, come from Kufri, I'm seeing some realistic snow atmosphere. On my right there is a sunny valleys. The roads are slippery because of the black snow being deposited. Need to be really careful. There's a high chance of scaling the Woo! I would definitely want to see this whole area covered with snow one day. If not Shimla, at least in Kufri. Yeah, next time I'll be going to Manali. हो गया देख लिया अभी शिमला बहुत अच्छा लगा, but मुझे लगता है Manali has a lot of things to offer. The temperature is dropping.
do anything. They can trick us like anything, and we may face the music. I go up, I mean, I've been there yesterday. So Narkanda is 2,700 meters from the sea level. नीचे एकदम से brilliant सा सुंदर सा एक रोड है यार. Just now I said I shouldn't be taking intermittent breaks, but those are so eye-catching. I have to just wait for a pause, take a pause, and look here and there. Oh, that's gonna be a really, really nice way to walk down there. पता नहीं रास्ता किधर है. This is Shimla from Mall Road. Yeah, it should have been covered with snow. It would have been like Switzerland or even better than that. But it's unfortunate, it's okay. I believe during the monsoon it will all be lush green. Yeah, making it look much better. But now, for now it looks a little dry here and there. Of course the view is excellent. After having a splendid experience in Shimla, I'm back to railway station to board my train to Kalka. I have my seat at EV7, seat number 4. Yeah, this is EV7. Let me check my seat number 4. Okay, this is seat number 4. Looks decent. Amazing experience in Shimla for a day. I am currently at Rishikesh, and you see that's actually the Janaki Jhula, which is the recent one, and on my left there is Ram Jhula, and going ahead we will find the Lakshman Jhula. So I've got to cover all 3 of them, so I'll go by walk. So at Rishikesh, यहाँ पे आ गया हूँ मैं for the river rafting. I found few set of people, and I've got all my equipment ready to go for rafting. So this person has said like this is about 12 kilometers raft, and we'll be experiencing 3 rapids. Based on that, if I'm satisfied, I'm good to go. Else I'll come again. This is the very first time I'm doing. Yeah, this is the first time I'm doing. I hope so. Wow, what a visual here. All set for the raft. भाई क्या नज़ारा है यार। How good is this? So we're all ready. We'll be starting our rafting anytime soon. So मज़ा आ गया। Currently in water. पता नहीं कितना दूर तक जाऊँगा मैं। It's interesting.
नेचुरल रिवर है ये। किस लिए आया है? भाई प्यार बता रहा हूँ, पीछे हो जाओ, पीछे हो जाओ। अरे चलाओ।
Speed up, speed up.
प्यार बता के रखना। हेलो, पैडल को लॉक करो।
Lock, lock, lock.
लॉक करो पैडल, पानी में जाओ। हाँ जाओ जाओ।
Come on guys, quick. आराम से।
भाई मर गया। दोनों हाथों में पकड़ो जैकेट का शोल्डर।
Easy, easy.
ना पानी भाई। अरे रुको। अरे भाई लोगों खींचो यार। अबे भाई हटना। कॉलर पकड़ के।
चश्मा गया मेरा।
क्या? Good. Rescued.
अबे दो चश्मे चलेगा, दो चश्मे में चला गया।
मेरा वाला अंदर रख लो मेरा।
हेलो अपनी सीट पे बैठो, पैडल होल्ड करो। ओए चश्मा निकाल दो भाई, चश्मा निकाल दो।
Already on.
आप करो ना सवाल, बात मानो।
अच्छा कूद जाऊँ मैं?
हाँ।
सीधा होके कूद जाओ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। सीधा होके कूद जाओ, ऐसे थोड़ा।
अपना वेट जैकेट में डालो। रिलैक्स अभी।
जैकेट
वेट कुछ नहीं होगा। भाई देखो अपना वेट इधर डालो, जैकेट पे डालो। रिलैक्स हो, जैकेट को ऊपर डालो। भाई ठंड लग रही है।
रस्सी को दोनों हाथों नीचे फुल करो।
कूद जा।
दबाओ, पूरा दबाओ।
अब जा यार।
ठीक है। That's the reason, bro. I can't. Thanks. You're done.
गीले तो वैसे ही यार, कूद जाओ। फॉरवर्ड दिख रहा है।
हाँ क्लिक कर लेना अगर स्क्रीन नहीं दिख भैया। GoPro नहीं जाना चाहिए। मैं कूद जाऊंगी साथ में। कोशिश से कामयाबी तक का सफर। ये इतना लग नहीं रहा, इसकी आवाज बहुत तेज आ रही है।
चलाओ फॉरवर्ड करो। चलाओ। पानी नहीं आ रहा, क्या करते हो?
साथ नहीं हो रहा। नहीं।
नोवा टेस्ट नहीं करना क्या?
पीछे रहो।
Hey guys, hi. So currently right now at Haridwar. The exact location is Har Ki Pauri, where the Ganga Aarti happens, which usually commences at 5:30 p.m. in the winters, and it varies according to the seasonality. Such a sacred location this is. I do feel that sacred vibes here. It's so good to be here. Yeah, I'm waiting for that one particular moment with the Ganga Aarti commences. I'm really excited to see it live. And I'll show it to you as well.